Hello everyone, thank you for coming back. Like I said yesterday, it was my first day in recording YouTube video and publishing them online. So far I have had 6 views on my first video. 6 views. So I'm happy. And this is my second video. In this video we're going to try to build this plane. Apparently it's called the Messerschmitt BF-109. It was a German World War II fighter aircraft that was first operational service during the Spanish Civil War 1939, and later became the backbone of the Luftwaffe's fighter force. The BF-109 was the most produced fighter aircraft in history, with a total of 33,984 airframes produced from 1936 up to April 1945. Wow, 33,984. This is crazy. So this is the aircraft, the fighter aircraft we're gonna build today. I found it at Hobby Lobby in my city, and this is the first time ever I built something like this, so bear with me if I'm doing something wrong. First thing is I don't know how to open this thing, so I'm tearing it down, and looks like it has instructions here too. Oh wow, look at that. Here we go. Here are the instructions. These are pretty oh, I see. So it takes you through the whole thing and how you do it. Wow. I think I'll have to use some time lapse as we go through this, or just make the video faster, so I can do it fast enough and not bore you down. Okay. Come on now. Here we go. This is it. This is the whole thing. I'll go to my instructions and we will see what is the first step. Okay, so the first step is we have to break these off. Do not remove these pieces. Okay. I think I have to take everything out. Well, here we go. There it is. I also got me one of these things so I can pick up the items. Okay, I think the first step is I'm going to take off these parts, and I'll continue after I take these parts. Welcome back. Now we have all of the parts taken off the frame, so now we'll start trying to put it together. I believe I took all of the parts, but not easy. I had to use these wire cutters, and it was still really difficult to get the things out. So I'm going to try now to start doing it. Let's see here. The first thing says do not remove these pieces. Okay, I didn't remove them. At least I believe I didn't. There we go. Here it is. Pieces are still there. Oh, but I think I have to take this thing off. It's not here in the drawing. Anyways, it says, okay, I think I have to do it this way. Yeah, I have to do it this way. Because these are the insertion holes. Insertion tab inserted and then folded. Okay, so this goes first, and then I need to bring and find these parts. Okay, I have to do some more cutting, I guess. So let's cut. Let's cut, I guess, here and right here and here and here. Okay. Then what? I'm going to cut these two because it said do not cut those pieces. What are the pieces I should not cut? That one and this one. Okay, I'm not cutting those, so I should be good to go and good to go. All right. So since this will go this way around, I think I'll need to get these, split them, Good. Split this off. Good. And then this doesn't look the same. Maybe I have the wrong ones. Maybe the right ones are here. Why do I have 4 of these? I understand. I know this. Okay. These over here, these over here. Huh. 3. This is number 2. Yes, it says number 2. Number 2 should go in there. Okay. Number 2 should go in here. Ooh, look at that. Yeah. Number 2. No one here. Okay, I'm gonna fold these. I'll fold these. Look at this. Now it's folded. I'll push it through. Fold it. Close. Again. Figher. I'll fold it in. I fold it. But didn't have to. I think it's folded. Huh. This is over. Didn't have only one. What is number 2? Number 2. Oh, both number 2s. I think both number 2s go here. Oh wow. Okay. So this and this both. Huh. Oh wow, check this out. Okay, so they both go in. And I think that's how they connect to each other. Maybe. Oh, maybe. Okay. Okay, this is one. Let's off. Let's do this again. I was trying to split them. How do you do that? They should just merge. Just like this. Right? I don't understand. E, what's E? And right inside. Right inside. Right side. Right side. Insert that at 90 degrees. So I think we should go like this. But then we'll insert that at 90 degrees. I'm still trying to finish this. Bend one tap up and one tap down. One tap up and one tap down. In right side, in right side. One tap and down. Right, always match. Less put it this way. Less put it this way. Yes. Yes, I put it this way. Or then. Well, probably keep doing this. So turn it down. Do it like this. Okay, go back, close it. Goes like that. Like this. On right side. The body of the thing is very different from the reality as here. This is crazy. I think I take one side out. What's like? It's like this. This is not fair. I don't know how to do it. None right. Okay. That's all. Yeah, these things are connected. Okay, I think I figured it out. I think I have to get these connected with each other. Number 2 and number 3 connected to each other. Just like this here. And then from the other side. I need to bend this around. Okay. And then we need to insert these into these holes. And then bend them one side down and one side up. So this is one side down. I'm trying to do one side down. Okay. And one side up. I don't know if it'll hold. But one side up. Just like that. And one side down. Just like that. Okay. Seems to be holding. Huh. Looks like it's holding somehow. Whoa. This was not an easy task. Okay, let's do the same here. So, we have 2 of these. We align them to each other. Just like this. We align them to each other. And then, we bend this thing around all the way. All the way. Okay? Should be good. And then we'll make the whole thing. And try again to insert it in here. And bend it. Bend it like Beckham. Bend one of them this way. And bend the other one the other way. Huh. Alright. Check this out. Almost there. I think. Okay, next step. Next step is we have to bend all of this body around. It gets like almost on top of itself, just like that. And then we have to get these all around to the other side. Oh my god, this is crazy. Where should I bend it at? I can't even tell. Where's the bend line? There's no bend line. I have to do it by myself. Okay, so first of all, I need to get rid of all the extras, which are this and this. Then we have to bend it. I have to bend it actually. Ah, this is, oh my god. Okay, I have to bend. I believe we have to bend this part. We have to bend this part all around, just like this. And we have to bend also this part. We have to bend this part, 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 all of it. Okay, we bent all these parts, and now it has to be so accurate that these little thingies go in the right place, and they did. Huh. Oh, what about this? This is way more difficult than I ever thought. I admit. This is way more difficult than I ever thought. This is like engineering. Okay. And you too. Alright. Now this is in. This is in. This is in. And we need to bend it. How are we going to bend it? Ah. There we go. Almost there. Okay, this is bent. Oh, this is also bent. Okay, what's next? Okay, put this in, put them in, bend them over. And then, oh my god, you gotta get me. What is this? Oh my god, where do these go? Well, these has to be going in here too. Oh, this is just crazy. How am I supposed to get these in here? They want these tiny things. You see this tiny thing and this other tiny thing. They want them to go in these tiny holes. How's that supposed to work? Oh, shit. Okay, it's all good. Okay. So I guess the best way is to bend these already with our 90 degrees, or as much as possible. Yep, just like that. And this one too, just like that. But not very much. I mean, it's not there yet. Same here, my friend. And then we are going to be able to put them in. Well, one of them did go in, the other one is not cooperating. And this is because we have this extra thing from the time that we got it. Okay, you need to. Okay, hold on. We can do better. Okay, how about this now? Yes. It's in. It's in at last. Okay, here we go. We have a body. We have a body of a plane. Okay. Next is this little part. Apparently we have to turn it around itself. Yeah. So turn it around itself like this. Yeah. This is just crazy. How am I supposed even to hold it? So I'm supposed to hold it, and then from the other side I'm supposed to turn it like this. I need more light. My eyes are going crazy. Okay, so we're gonna hold it from one side, and we're gonna, I can't believe that these are kids games. maybe they're not. Maybe like they're for more experienced people. Definitely not me. This is way harder than I ever thought it would be. Okay. Okay, looks like we have some progress. Because this, my friend, this tiny little thing, where's my needs to go. Oh no, it's not. Needs to go in this tiny little hole. Oh no, I think I'm getting too close. Oh my god. You're killing me. Okay, hold on. Hold on. Whoa. It did go in. It did go in. Okay. What am I supposed to do next? I think I'm supposed to take this out. Like. Oh, bend this like Beckham. And bend this like Beckham. Good. Oh, this works. Okay, so this works. And then I have to press this. Go here and bend this. Okay, I can bend this thing. Bend it. Not there yet. Come on now. Okay, this is bent. Now the other one. All of this is just to put it in. Oh, I think we forgot something. Yeah. We need to bend these in and get this thing out. So, what did we do? Did we do something wrong? I think we bent it too much. Maybe it has to be like, just like that. And then we need to get this little thingy directed up. Okay, now this is directed up. And then we need to bend these little thingies. So, yeah, we definitely overbent it. I think this will be fine. And then we need to press these in. Just like so. Like so, like so, like so. Ta-da! Okay, we should be up to date. Number 4. Number 4 is in. I think I need to do the second side of number 4, which I hate, but I have to do it. So, okay, this time I will not bend this first, bend this second, get them together, and then, we didn't get them, but only one of them. Okay, good. I mean, better, not good. Okay, I think this is good now. Then, we need to bend this, and, okay, that was a mistake. Get this up. Get out of here. Get out of here. Yes. So I think I will do this as part 1, and then I will do part 2 later. Tomorrow maybe. Because this took way longer than I thought. This is like crazy. I never thought that this little hobby from Hobby Lobby would take so much time. Oh, so it's only on one side. Okay, good. Apparently this thing is only on one side. What is my... Let's see here. Yeah, only from one side. The other side is a different thing. I don't know why they gave me 2. Okay. So far so good. This is our first part. Wow. Okay, let me just do this. I'll just do this. I have to do the bottom of it. So the bottom of it says take this. Some of them are twist the tab 90 degrees. What is twist? What's the difference between twisting the tab and bending the tab? I don't know what's the difference. But anyway, so what I need is this is all in, all good. And then I need to get this part. No, not this part. I need to get, there should be some large parts. Where's that part? 5, number 5. You must be kidding me. This little part is what I thought is the large part. This little tiny part is what I thought is the large part. So I'm supposed to do it like this, and then like this, and then like this, and then like this. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's get the extra shit. Okay, good. So we have this thing. Apparently it's like a instruction thing. Next, I need to get the seat. Imagine we're gonna have a seat. This is just crazy. This is the seat. So the seat is going to go like this. Check this out. This should go up. This should go down. This should go down too. And this should go down too. So this is the seat. And then these are put just like so, and like so. Okay. Okay. Just making sure we're still recorded. Okay. Good. Now we have the seat and the TV. It's crazy if I show you. Look, this is supposed to be the seat and the TV. So the seat and the TV are going to be put on this thing, and then all of this will be inserted in the bottom of the plane, or the belly. This is just totally crazy. So this part, I need to put them on it, and then put it up. Okay? So here we go. Engraved side. This is the engraved side. So we will get the TV, put it on the wide end. Here's the TV on the wide. Come on now. On the wide end. Okay, it's not getting it wide. Look at our nice TV. And I'm supposed to twist the ends. I don't know what's the meaning of twist. Oh, twist it 90 degrees. Okay, I think I got it. So I just like hold it and twist it, and hold it and twist it. Oh, okay, this is cool. And then I have the chair. That is either a control room, or maybe somebody is watching TV. I like the idea of a TV better than bomb control center on the plane. On the aircraft. Look at me, I'm getting faster at this. Okay, then we will bend this upwards, and bend this upwards, and then we're supposed to insert it into the plane bottom. Hey, we're supposed to insert it all the way up in the plane. This is just like totally crazy. Okay, I have never ever seen something like this. And I think the most wonderful thing is it still all fits. Like the parts actually, maybe not, but the parts mostly they go in where they're supposed to go. So how does that work? If you can tell me, I will be grateful. If you can tell me, how does that come on, baby. My god, they all fit except one. I think I overbent it like bacon. Okay. Dude, come on now, you can make it. You can make it. Oh yeah, check this out. They all went in. Oh wow. Now this is crazy. Am I supposed to bend them, or? Yeah, I'm supposed to twist them. This is crazy. I can twist them now. Twist. Twist. And then from the other side. Twist. No. Twist. Yes. Twist. Huh. I'll be damned. Look at this. Look at this. There is a chair and a TV in the plane now. How cool is that? Okay, I think I have some issue here. I think I got this thing out from where it should go. So let's try to bend it back in. Come on now. There we go. It's back in. And this is the end of part 1 of doing this crazy plane. I'll see you tomorrow on part 2. Maybe I'll just drop it. Thank you for watching. Bye.